In the previous video, I told you that we do binomial expansion in our everyday life, and these are the examples of how we do it. But each time we increase the power by 1, it gets more painful. So how? Let's just figure it out. So a plus b to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. And a plus b to the power 1 is just a plus b. And a plus b squared is a plus b into a plus b. And we need to multiply it to find the result, which is a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And so what about a plus b cubed? This will be equal to a plus b whole squared into a plus b, which will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared into a plus b, which will be a cube plus 2a squared b plus 2ab squared plus b cubed plus a squared b plus ab squared. So as a sum, it's like a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So here, the more we add powers, the more painful it gets. So just by finding the a plus b to the cube, it cost us some real amount of time. So imagine how painful it would be if we were to deal with something like this, a plus b to the power 10. It would take you all day long, or maybe even more than that. And this is where the binomial theorem becomes really useful. So the binomial theorem is, okay, just let me, states that when a plus, okay, I'm just gonna use a plus b in this video, a plus b to the power nth, which is equal to the sum from when k equals 0 up to n, and n choose k. And this is actually a complex notation, but we'll go through some examples and it will be easy. And a to the power n minus k into b to the power k. That's what the binomial theorem states. So this one is a new term, maybe. So you can also write it like this. This and this are the same. So what does this mean? It means n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial. So, well, maybe it's like 4 choose 3. It will be 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. So let's go through an actual example. Let's rub them down here. Okay, how much did we went through? A plus b cubed, right? So let's do a plus b to the power 4. So it will be equal to, so here k should be from 0 and up to 4, n should be 4. So here first, the first coefficient is going to be 4 and 0. 4 choose 0, and a to the power, well, a to the power n minus k, which is 4 minus 0 equals 4, and b to the power k n, which is 0, so it's just 1. Let's not write it down. Then there is 4 choose 1, k will be increased up to n, and it will stop. Okay, so 4 choose 1, and here, so here 4, n is 4 and k is 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, a cube, and b to the power 1, which is b. And here is similarly 4 choose 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and b is 2, plus 2 more terms. Here 4 minus 3 is 1, so a, and b cubed, and plus 4 choose 4, and k is 4, so n minus k is 4 minus 4, so a to the power 0 equals 1. I'm not gonna write it down, just b to the power 4. Now let's calculate it. So this means 4 factorial over 0 factorial into 4 minus 0 factorial. Now we know that 0 factorial is 1, and 4 minus 0 factorial is just 4 factorial, so we can just cut them down, and we're left with 1. So the coefficient is 1. So let's write the first line here. Okay, a to the power 4 plus, and let's calculate this one. Well, 4 choose 1 is 4 factorial over 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial. Now, so, well, let's find it out first. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 1 factorial is just 1, and 4 minus 1 factorial is 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into 1. So we can cut them down, which is equals to 4. So here the coefficient is 4 a cubed b, and let's calculate the third one, which is 4 factorials over 2 factorials into 4 minus 2 factorials, which will be equal to so 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2, and it is 2 into 1, and it's also 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. So we can cut them down here. 2 into 3 is 6. So here our coefficient is 6. 6 a cubed b plus, now just 2 more to go. Well, it means 4 factorial over 3 factorial over 4 minus 3 factorial. Well, it's just the same as where this one, right? This one is 4 factorial over 1 factorial into 3 factorial, and this is also 4 factorial over 1 factorial into 3 factorial. So these are the same, so this will also result in 4 similarly. So this is also 4. Well, here's the, well, okay, a square b square, so ab cubed plus, here is the 4, so this will be 4 factorial over what? 4 factorial into 4 minus 0 factorial. Well, okay, no. 4 minus 4 factorial actually. So it's the same as this one. Where did it go? Yeah, it's the same as this one because 4 minus 4 is 0, so it will be 4 factorial into 0 factorial, and at the top it will be 4 factorial. You can just cut them down, and 0 factorial is 1, so this is also 1. This is just b to the power 4. So this is the expansion of a to the b, a plus b to the power 4. See you in the next video.